So our topic is number of spanning tree. So this is our first graph. So this is a graph because there is a cycle. So that's why it is a graph. This graph is also known as cycle disjoint graph because there is no is common between cycle. These are the cycle. In this graph there is 3 cycle, 1 second and third, and there is no any common edges between this cycle. So we can also write there is only common vertices and no common edges. So now we have to calculate number of spanning tree possible. So this is our first cycle. So in this cycle we can take two edges such that all the vertices are included. Suppose we can take this as and this as, or we can take this as, or there is no any, I think there is no any possibility. So number of possibility is 3c2 because total number of edges is 3 and we can take 2 out of them. And for this cycle there is also a 3 edges and we can take any two of them, 3c2, and there is 4 edges and we can take any 3 of them between these 4 edges. So we can take 4c3. So how many? After calculating this, 3 into 3 into 4 is equals to 36. So total number of spanning tree possible is 36. Let's take another example. So this is our also graph because this has a cycle. But in this graph there is a common edges. There is common edges between the two cycles. This is our first cycle, this is our second cycle. So there is common edge between two cycle. So let's suppose E is the common edges between two cycles, cycle 1 and cycle 2. So first of all, try to write all the spanning tree that contain E with E. So how can we write like this? If E is containing, then we have for cycle 1 we have two options, either we take this or this. And if this containing, so we have another two options. This we can take this one, or this one. So we have an option of 2c1 into 3c1 is equals to now we need to calculate all the spanning tree without having E. So this is not there in our tree. So this will only. So in this case we can remove any one of these 5 and we will get a spanning tree. So we have to choose one from 5. So number of ways is 5. So total number of spanning tree is equals to 11. Let's come to the next example. So this is our next example. This is a graph. This is E1 and this is E2. So there's 3 cycle, 1, 2, 3. So in this case, because there is 2 common edges, that's why we have four cases. The first case is if suppose we will not include E1 and E2, that is E1 and E2 is not included. If E1 and E2 is not included, then we have only a graph with 6 edges. So in this case, we have number of spanning tree we have is 6. C1 is equals to 6. All these things we have learned earlier how to solve all these things. E1, and if second case is if E1 is used but E2 is not used. So if this is the case, then we have E1 and E2. We have only 2 cycles. So in first cycle there are 2 edges and we have to choose one of them. So we can write like this: 2C1 into and in the lower part we have 4 edges and we can choose 3 out of them. So 2 into 4 is equals to 8. And our third case is E2 is used but E1 is not. So in this case, this is same like the previous case. Same like the previous case. So we can also write number of spanning tree for this case is 8. And the 4 cases, E1 and E2 is both included. So in this case we have 3 cycles. So this graph has been made for these cases. So we have 3 cycles. In first cycle, we have 2 options. Either we choose this one or either we choose this one. And other cycle as well we have 2 options. For this one, and in third also we have 2 options. So we can write 2 cross 2 cross 2. So total number of ST will be 6 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8, that is equals to 30.